Oh, look at you. Good Lord. If you stay calm, it's just timing.
Watch closely. Incredible control. Perfect balance.
Ladies and gentlemen, the legendary master of speed and control, Bruce Lee. Unbelievable! Let's hear it for him!
Ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, my God. He caught it. Look at that. Oh, my God. Incredible.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's balanced on a single chopstick. One leg. Look at that.
Slow, steady. Easy, my goodness. Incredible. This is 500 kilos. About 1,100 pounds. One hand.
You're kidding.
Lock the wrist, stack the joints, and move as one piece. Watch.
Oh, my God.